Hello, this is David Guerin, also known as the Style Renegade of the beauty business. I am here today to talk to you about clipper maintenance. So let's talk about blade maintenance. To maintain a blade, you need to oil them regularly, regardless of the type of clipper it is. Let's take the Topaz, for instance, which is an adjustable head clipper blade. To oil these blades, put a couple drops of oil on it, one on each side, and then one in the middle. 3 drops of oil on it. Turn it on and let it disperse that oil. Once you have done that, always, before the blade comes in contact with anybody, either spray it with spray disinfectant, or if you choose to make it easier on you, use the 5-in-1 spray. To use this, all you do is spray the front side and spray the back side. Do this before it comes in contact with anybody, regardless of the type of blade you're using, whether it's on a Titan, whether it's on a finisher blade like the Taylor. Keeping these blades clean is critical. So what I recommend is at least once a week, get yourself a small bowl, use the blade wash, pour a little bit of it into a plastic bowl. Once we have done that, now take your tool, turn it on, and completely submerge it into the bowl. Let it run for about 5 to 10 seconds and get out all that hair. You're going to have ground up hair in through there. So regardless of the tool, submerge it completely into it, the entire blade. Submerge it all the way in. Let it take off that debris. Wipe off the excess. Instantly oil it, a drop on each side. And then I'll instantly disinfect it with either the 5-in-1 or the spray disinfectant. Now, let's go into maintaining the blade a step further. If you ever drop your adjustable blade clipper and the blade comes out of alignment, meaning the underneath blade extends beyond the outside blade, just simply get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the 2 screws on it, that will allow you to move this blade to properly align it. It should be above the lowest setting on the oval blade. It should never be. Tighten it back up, and you're good to go. The Taylor is a finishing tool that is designed to do all your finish work. Now, these are preset by the factory so that they don't cut an individual. We can tune these blades so that we can get them a lot closer. So what I do is I simply get a regular size screwdriver, remove the 2 screws on the back. Once you remove these 2 screws, there are 2 screws underneath right here that will need to be loosened about 1/4 of a turn. So just simply come in here, loosen them about 1/4 of a turn, and now that allows me to move the underneath blade up and down. I will move that closer to the outside edge, but not even with it. Keep it slightly below the outside edge. Once you have that on, tighten it back up, tighten it back on the tool, align it, secure it tightly, and then turn it on and touch it against yourself. I'll use the palm of my hand, just roll it back and forth to make sure that it doesn't cut or leave any lines of red. So, back it down just a little bit. Maintain your tools, use the proper liquids on them, keep the blades oiled, you will get life out of the blade, you will get longevity out of the machine. Hope this will help you, and I'll see you down the road.